Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can participate in airdrop on CoinMarketCap. So the first thing that you will need to do is you need to sign up on CoinMarketCap. So as you can see, I've already signed up on CoinMarketCap. So this is my profile. So once you are here, what you need to do is click on this diamond icon and wait for it to load and just go down. And then in the daily task, as you can see, join an airdrop and get 10 diamonds. I will make a separate video as to how these diamonds would be useful for you. So what you have to do is just click over here and go to airdrop page. And if you see, currently there is only one airdrop that is going, which is for equilibrium. And these are the airdrops that have ended. So the airdrop keeps coming on CoinMarketCap. So if we click over here, and then wait for it to load. So they have given this detail as to how you can participate. So and about the token. So Equilibrium does an innovative financial engineering. So this token is built on Polkadot platform, which is a decentralized finance with high leverages. And this is the airdrop campaign. So $50,000 worth Equilibrium will be dropped for the winners. And this is their address, and the total amount of airdrop is this. And the number of winners would be 1,000. So as you can see, I've already participated in this. So what you have to do is, it depends on token to token. You have to click over here to participate, and there would be a small task that would be given, like follow CoinMarketCap or follow this token on CoinMarketCap, and just paste in your Polkadot or Ethereum or any other chain address, and the lucky winners would be getting airdrop in their wallet. So it is this simple to participate in airdrop on CoinMarketCap. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Hope you guys like my video. Thank you for watching.